Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question with us. This question is coming from the topic of functions. Let's solve it together. If the function r is defined by r of a is equals to 6a minus 3, which of the following is equivalent to r of a plus 2? And the choice A is 6a minus 3, choice B is 6a minus 3 plus 2, and choice C is 6a plus 9, and the choice D is 6a. Let's solve it. R of A is given as 6a minus 3. And they want you to find the value of a plus 2. So a plus 2. Instead of a, now we have a plus 2. So this means that you will substitute a plus 2 in the function wherever you see a. So 6 times a plus 2 minus 3. So that is going to give us, we will need to distribute this 6 into parentheses, 6a plus 12 minus 3. So a plus 2 will be equal to 6a plus 9. So this is going to be our final answer for the specific question. So the right choice is choice C for this question. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and bye-bye.